Hi, for today I'm going to discuss with you what a backstabbing is and what are the common misconception about backstabbing. So let's get started. So when we say backstabbing, it is a form of betrayal. It is usually happened in a circle of friends, in a small group discussion wherein you are worried or somehow irritated about someone na wala namang ginagawang masama sa'yo. So, you are just backstabbing him or her. Napakahalaga na maiwasan ng ganitong negative attitude simply because it may affect or it may damage the relationship. It is either in a friendship or in a romantic relationship. Kasi pwede ring mangyari yan in different aspects, di ba? Napakahalaga na iwasan natin yan kasi it may affect your relationship, for example, to your best friend, to your lover, etc. etc. Kasi yung backstabbing na yan, guys, pwede rin siyang makasira either nung relasyon or nung pinaka ugnayan nung magkakaibigan. Kasi kapag backstabbing, expect mo na yun, enemy mo na siya. Kasi ibig sabihin, sinisiraan ka na niya behind your back and at the same time, you need to become more observant. Kasi kahit sa akin, nangyari din yan sa loob pa mismo ng trabaho. Kaya minsan, kailangan maging mapamili din tayo sa mga taong kinikilala natin. Lalo na sa may mga trust issues dyan, kailangan mas maging open-minded tayo when it comes to backstabbing. Meron din akong nabasa sa book na what is the difference between fake friends and backstabber. Kasi kapag backstabber, ihanda mo na yung sarili mo kasi tinitira ka niya patalikod. Ibig sabihin, late mo na malalaman na sinisiraan ka niya. Unlike sa fake friends kasi, it is more broad. Mas malawak siya and at the same time, mas napaghahandaan mo. Mas nakikilala mo. Kesa doon sa backstabber lang. So, I hope may natutunan kayo for today and have a nice day, everyone.